Hello traders. I want to unveil SLFX-v9 trading strategy I created on Tradingview platform, and with my 5 years experience in trading, I was able to construct this Confluence with just 3 indicators and 1 alarm. I evaluated this strategy on Euro USD and gold charts, 3 minutes especially, 3 minute time frame. I prefer to trade on these two charts because of its higher volatility among others. And this strategy also works on every other categories of pairs like cryptocurrency, metal, commodity, and so on. Interestingly, its entries are provided by alarms only. It is set at the bottom index middle horizontal line. The bottom index, this is the bottom index middle horizontal line where I set the alarm. You must have connected your TradingView to the mobile app version where you can easily get all push notifications, and you do not need to gaze at your monitor screen day and night searching for signals. And you only need to follow 2 steps without any stress. You don't need extra education before accessing this trading system, and you do not have to be a professional trader before earning daily income from this strategy. And the candle bar, this candle I use here, you can see this type of candle is a bar candle. This bar candle allows me to dictate the colors of reversal and strong trend. The color of reversal is provided as yellow. When it is yellow, it's always the time for me to know if the market is going to reverse or continue. So it was yellow here. It's supposed to reverse, but it continues until it gets to this point and become a very strong bullish trend. Without further ado, let's check how this strategy works with the little step, with just 2 steps. And the first criteria, the criteria for buy entry is that the candle must be green, and this lower index, this moving average, must cross the middle line, the middle horizontal line where the alarm is set, so that the alarm can ring in your phone and you enter the condition, you enter the market, you open the market with this little condition. And the criteria for sell signal is that the candle must be red also, and it must cross from above downward, and it will provide you a notification here to enter the trade, as you can see on the screen. And the previous wins I have here exactly the same. You just have to be patient with it. So let us check. In order to be a professional trader, you have to consider 3 principles of Forex market exchange. If you are going to trade that, you have to consider 3 management system. The first one is the money management system, the second one is trade management, and the last one is the risk management. You can see the way I managed my money here. I just have to manage this money for the reward ratio of 3.04, risking this little to get this, as you can see. And the risk management, you might just have to set your uh, stop loss at the lowest low of the previous trend, so you can get to the edge of the market as easy as that. And again, and a good thing about this strategy is that um, there are some traders out there who have been blowing away their accounts, and they actually got tired of trading and just have to give up on it. With this strategy, you can have just 2 to 3 signals per week. So this strategy actually will teach you how to be very patient, and it will also allow you not to trade on your emotions. It will also give you a at favorable condition where you can actually enter the market with its notification. Just notification. All you just have to do is to follow the notification. So let's check the trade management also. In this trade management, you can see how long this trend is. For you to get to the edge of this market, you just have to make sure that, okay, let's take example that you want to use one lot for your trade. You just have to divide it into two. Dividing it into two, you get 0.5 in two places. The first one will be used on the normal default, which is 3 reward ratio, which is 3.0. That is the first one. You just have to set stop loss for both of them, where you just have to put it at as little as this volatility is. That is why I just have to put my stop loss at this point, so that I can get a better profit from it. So you can see on this profit, this is like 13.53 reward ratio. So the other one will be you just have to trail the other one until you actually gets the best of this huge movement of the market, so that you will not lose it. So let us check the gold charts also, and see what we can actually derive from it. So you can see in this move down here in the index, there was an alarm provided here for me to enter the market, but I just have to wait for the candle to turn red. When it turns red here, I enter the market and it's a win. And here also, you can see from this point, let me put my vertical line, this vertical line. So from this point, I have a cross here also. So I just have to wait for the candle to turn green for me to move from that point also. As you can see from the look on the screen, you can see how powerful the strategy is. I'm able to make a lot of money from it, from this one too. Now, some traders will just have to tell you their strategy is 100% sure. In trading the market, in the foreign exchange market, there is nothing like 100% assurance that you are getting in the market. You just have to be very, very careful how people will describe their strategy out there. In this market, what you just have to be aware of is that your earnings must be greater than what you are losing on daily basis. Your earnings must be greater than what you are losing on daily basis. As you can see on the screen here, this is a very, very good move. I just have to follow the normal condition and arrive at this, just the way I explained on Euro USD. Let's go back to Euro USD and conclude this video. So if you are interested, you can join my Telegram channel in the link below for more details on how to set up this strategy on visual rendition like this, or a link to my personal Tradingview account where you can automatically save the indicators and its settings. And there's one thing you just have to note is that I don't trade for anyone. I'm not interested in account management. I don't do that. All I care about is that all you need to do is to get the link to my source income at very low price, and that's all. And that is all about it. You just have to trade by yourself. Now you can see on this place now, there is no provision for alarm yet. I just have to wait. Yes, the candle is red. I just have to wait for it to retrace. The point of retracement is where I actually get alarm to enter the market. And that's from what you've seen so far. If you are interested in it, you're welcome. Thank you.